Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2017 Ford F150 XLT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. It's been lifted, has big tires on it, leather interior, backup camera, beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Tires look almost brand new. Rims are in beautiful condition. It's got a tandem cover in the back. Bed liner, really nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Fog lights, they have a little bit of wear and tear on them, nothing major. Besides that, they look good. A little bit of wear and tear on them. Headlamps are good, very nice condition. Grille looks beautiful. Emblems in beautiful condition. Very nice. It's got a small little dent right here on this fender. Fender looks good, very nice condition. Clean throughout. Just a small little dent right there. Take a look at the passenger door. Passenger door's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Rear door on the passenger side, amazing condition. Very nice condition, super clean. Bedside on the passenger side looks beautiful, look at that. It's got those decals on it, looks super sharp. Very nice. Tailgate in the back looks good, very nice condition. Super clean. Bumper in the back looks good. Very nice. It's got your backup camera there, look at that, very nice. Bedside on the driver's side looks good. Super sharp, amazing. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Very nice condition. It's got a small little scratch right here, nothing major. Front door, driver, looks good. Really nice condition. Front fender on the driver's side looks amazing. Clean throughout, look at that. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Does have a small dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Really in nice shape, super clean. Amazing condition. Windshield looks good. It's got a little chip right there. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look at the other side, see if we can see anything else. No, that's not a chip. Just one little chip on there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the roof on this one. See the condition on it. It's in nice shape. Looks clean up here. Don't see any marks or anything on it. Looks super clean. It's got a small little scratch right here and a dent. Besides that, looks amazing. Well, that pretty much concludes our walk around on this one. It's in really nice shape. Beautiful condition inside and out. Really amazing shape. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Driver's side door panel. Take a look at the controls. Really nice condition. Some storage there on the bottom. Armrest is in good shape. Very nice. Taking a look at the driver's seat. It has these cat skin covers on it. Seats are in great shape. Looks very nice. Beautiful condition. Full set of rubber floor mats. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at this, amazing condition. Really nice. Look at the armrest. Controls look good. Very nice. Has some pockets there for storage. Amazing. Taking a look at the passenger seat in the front. Looks good, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Really nice shape. Rubber floor mats all the way through. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks clean. Look at that. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel looks good, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Really great shape. Taking a look at the rear seat. Looks good, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Rubber mats all the way through. Little bit of wear and tear on the back of the seat here. Besides, that's in very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the armrest, amazing condition. Look at the rear seats, look good. Very nice shape. Little imperfection on this leather here. Little bit of wear and tear on the back of the seat here. Besides, that looks good. Rubber floors all the way through. Beneath that, you have your rug. Really nice. Okay, we're all set to start this 2017. Take a look here. Key fob for it, really nice. The fold-out key. Okay, lock, unlock, and panic. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Let's go and start it up. Starts up perfect, look at that. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one, but let's look at the miles first. Mileage on this one is 95,669 miles. Really nice, look at that. Beautiful condition, all the gauges are working, functioning perfectly. No issues at all. It's got a little information center here you can click through. So it has for the towing, fuel trip, display mode, off-road, and settings. Amazing. So we'll leave it on display mode. It shows us miles till empty. Really nice. Okay, so you have cruise control on the steering wheel, control for the radio. You have the lights down here. Really nice. Take a look at the controls for the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Really nice condition. Take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard looks amazing. Super, super clean. It's really nice. It's got a button here for sport. These are four-wheel drive controllers here. Your trailer controller, AC controls. Really nice, working beautiful. The volume controls for the radio, CD, AM, FM, media. Really nice. I believe this vehicle does also have Bluetooth on it. It should have Bluetooth. Let's take a quick look here. So you just got to connect your device to USB. There it is. Bluetooth audio. There you go. Amazing. Okay, so we'll go ahead and leave it back on radio. Looks good. Power plug there. Down below here you got your USB, you got another power plug there. Glove box is right there. Dashboard looks amazing, look at it. Beautiful shape. Just take a look above here. Visors look good. Really nice shape. Sunglass holder, amazing. Control for the lights. Really nice. Beautiful shape. This comes down in case you want to use it as an armrest. Looks fantastic. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Stay tuned. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. We already put it in gear. We're all set. Here we go. Drives super nice, feels smooth. Really nice drive. feel good. Okay, we're almost done with the test drive. We're going to go ahead and do the backup camera. And that will conclude our test drive. There we go. Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, so now we put it in gear, in reverse. There you go. There's the backup camera. This was really nice. It's got a line in the middle there. So when you turn the steering wheel, it shows you which way it's going to roll. And it has those two guidelines. This shows you which way it's going to go when you back up. Here we go. Fantastic. Okay, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Take a look at the tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Very nice. It's an 8-cylinder. A lot of power, feels good. Amazing condition, beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful shape. Look at that, looks brand new. Really nice condition, look at that. Rims in beautiful shape also. Amazing condition. Very nice. It's been lifted, looks good. Look at the suspension on it. Really nice. Super sharp. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice. Good amount of tread on there. Take a look at the rim. Rim looks brand new. Amazing condition. This one's been lifted up. Take a look at the suspension on it. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition, looks super clean. Really nice tread on there. Rim is clean and outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing shape, looks brand new. Look at the tire tread on there. Really nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Amazing shape. Let's take a closer look here. Very nice. Look at that. Really nice condition. Take a look at the suspension here in the front. Looks amazing. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2017 Ford F-150 4x4 XLT. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. NovaAutoSales.net. Thanks for watching.